Hi, so I'm just going to talk about a new feature that allows you to auto restart GivTCP. You might be able to use this for other inverters in the future, but at the moment I can only detect lockups with the Give Energy inverters because it's reading the inverter time from the inverter and it's comparing it against the current time on the platform. And if they start to diverge, you know that the system's not updating. So first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you've got the latest version. So I've got 7.15.20. The feature was in a slightly earlier version as well, but I've added some extras to that now. So the second thing you need to do is make sure that you actually configure it. So if you go to the file editor and have a look at your apps.yaml for Predbat, then you can see you add an auto restart section. So this is in the template if you don't have it already. So if you want to go to the template, you just need to go to GitHub, and then you need to go into the actual repository itself, apps, Predbat, config, apps.yaml, that's the template one. And then in here, you'll find some templates for the auto restart. So this is the one I'm using here, which is to restart the add-in. And so it's configured here. First, I have a shell command that deletes the PKL files. That's the cache that GivTCP uses to store the information. Obviously, if that's corrupted, it can be a problem. So it deletes them. And then it calls a service, which is a reboot add-on service, obviously against the serial number. You might need to add more than one if you've actually got multiple inverters here. So you'd have to add this service twice, the different entity IDs. And that's all you have to do really. And then the auto restart will kick in if the system has essentially stopped updating. So I'm going to just load up my log file and I'll see if I can find this because I was testing it earlier. Show you what it looks like. Just scrolling back a bit in the log file. So let's see if I can find the restart. There we go. So it's saying warning inverter time is different. It's saying 99-minute skew because I just hardwired it to test it. And therefore it's calling the inverter will auto restart. It deletes the package files and it calls the service. And then it raises this exception. This is deliberate. This is to stop Predbat from running. And then it'll restart again on the next update. Now you might not find on the next update that it actually springs to life because GivTCP is still restarting. So you might have to wait a bit, and then on the next 5 minutes it should spring back to life again if that was the problem. Hopefully that's useful for some people who are having problems with their system. I'm not really sure what the root cause of it is, and that probably needs to be tracked down with the GivTCP authors, but hopefully this is a useful workaround in the meantime. Okay, thanks very much.